An essay should use evidence from both primary and secondary sources.
The tutorial rooms are located along the left-hand side.
The English expression is just a way of saying that age is not important.
Application forms for sharing accommodations must be completed 2 months in advance.
Students must submit a thesis on an agreed subject within 4 years.
Put the eggs in the center of the dish, with the vegetables and herbs around the edge.
The solution when boiled deposits most of its oxide in the metahydrate form.
Fungi are important in the process of decay, which returns ingredients to the soil, enhances soil fertility, and decomposes animal debris.
The weather here is unpredictable.
Children can share their lunch at around noon.
I would like the assignment less than 2,000 words.
The theoretical proposal was challenged to grasp.
The Arts magazine is looking for a new assistant editor.
I am glad that Professor Gordon just joined our faculty.
We are not going to accept the assignment after the due day on Friday.
Students are held accountable for adhering to establishing community standards.
Please finish all the reading chapters before the field trip.
More females than males graduated from universities last year.
Meeting with tutors could be arranged for students who need additional help.
I believe children should read aloud more.
Farmers do not always receive prices for agricultural goods.
Being a student representative in the union really cuts into my study time.
Allergy problems do run in the family, but we don't understand why.
All undergraduate students should participate in the seminar.
Students should take advantage of the Internet before attending the lecture. I'm afraid Professor Jones doesn't suffer fools gladly.
Vessels carry blood from the heart to other parts of the body.
The current and conventional method has many disadvantages, including the side effects.
A science-based approach is vital for effective advancements.
In marketing, short-term thinking leads to many problems.
On our campus, prospective students had access to 13 college libraries.
Does the college refectory offer vegetarian dishes on a daily basis?
There's an hourly bus service from the campus into town. The School of Arts and Design has an open day on Thursday next week.
The pharmacy was closed when I went past this morning.
The bus in front of the building will take you to the bus station.
The final exam will test material from all chapters covered in class this term.
Critical literature theories broaden interpretation.
Due to the increase in courses, universities should increase their staff, too.
All the assignments should be submitted by the end of this week.
I'm glad that you've got it.
Students are afraid of writing an essay because they have learned nothing about it.
The office opens on Wednesday and Thursday.
The initial results are intriguing, but statistically speaking, they are insignificant.
The cafe house is closed down, and the snack machine is still running throughout the night.
The original Olympic Games are one kind of original festival.
I will now demonstrate how the reaction can be arrested by adding a dilute acid.
Students can download the materials on the website.
Students can get access to computers on a daily basis.
Dr. Green's office has been moved to the second floor of the building.
We are not going to accept the assignment after the due date on Friday.
International students can get help with locating housing near the university.
In the last few weeks, we've been looking at various aspects of the social history of London.
If you want to quit the student union, tell the registrar. Trade financing for the local market or the international market for exports begins from the first step at the banks.
At the end of the Ice Age, there would have been enormous changes in animal and plant life.
This brought about a tremendous change in the environment, with the sea level rising and creeping steadily inland.
At night, sailors in the Mediterranean can see the glow from the fiery molten material that is thrown into the air.
The future of English is in the hands of countries where non-native speakers live. English is expanding as a lingua franca but not as a mother tongue.